Hey guys, good morning. Am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Chat re. Darshan bhai. You come for laddu now. You want laddu? I didn't open my bag also. I just came to institute. I reached around 6 o'clock only today. I didn't open. My wife also coming. She will come and she will open now everything that is. Now then tomorrow I will bring laddu. Okay. So you come for laddu today, not for class. Ravya? Hmm? Class. దర్శనం చాలా బాగా జరిగింది. ఒక్కనే పోయినా కదా మంచిగా అనిపించింది. We started a new batch in the morning. So in 6 months, this is my 5th batch. Wow. That's a good achievement. Correct, Deepak? This is all because of you only. That means everyone. Because of your reviews and mouth publicity and talk. That means, hey, Avinash, after a long time. How is your health now? Good. When you back? Ready? 16th. Very good, very good. Every day I'm asking about you. Where is Avinash? Where is Avinash? Where is Avinash? So we completed bivariate and multivariate. Okay, we are doing that. I just want disclaimer what we completed till now. Okay, let's check it. So these are the topics. So session 1, read the data, create the data frame using list, create the data frame using dictionary, how to save the data frame, how to add new column, how to drop a new column, correct? That's the session 1. Session 2, shape and size and columns and D types, head and tail, take, lock, lock, length, is null. That's the quick checks of data frame. And third session, categorical analysis, how to read a column, unique, ununique, value counts. We created a frequency table by our own skill, right? Not value counts. We created by our own Python code and we written all these things. And we done bar chart and a pie chart. And session 4, numerical data analysis, how to read a column, statistical measurements, mean, median, count, max, minimum, standard deviation, 25, 50, 75. We also use describe function, but we using NumPy also. With histogram, we check the empirical rule. Correct? Outlier analysis, we draw a box plot. We implemented how to find outlier. We remove the outlier, imputed with median, np.where. Take care. Session 6, bivariate analysis. We draw 2 categorical column analysis implemented by our own skill, right? Again, all we implemented by our own skill. Again, I show the shortcut, correct? That's the same way. Cross tab, we draw the plots. We repeated multiple columns, numerical analysis, correlation factor, matrix, now heat map. These all we completed, ma. So many things we completed. Session 1, session 2, session 3, session 4, session 6, and still 2 more sessions are there. 8 sessions complete EDA. This is your lifetime blueprint. Lifetime. If your manager asking means you need to just follow this. Your manager also will shock ho jayega. Okay. That means session 6. So many things are we learn. And the beauty is whatever we learn theoretically that we are implemented practically. If you see, go through all 6 sessions, everything that we done in the theoretically, right? Again, you go to the valid with Word document and PPTs. Whatever we done, same thing and here. And the one more beauty is, and we are not relying the methods, we are relying our own Python developer skills. We learn like that. So it is the best, it is practice. So now you start works this. I will share some, everyone open that Analytics Vidya hackathon. Analytics Vidya hackathon. I'll just show you how to you download the data sets and all these things. Then you start working, because anyhow by tomorrow we are closing the EDA. We are at the last. Hi Venki, how are you? You're not missing me. You're not coming to class. Puja, Ayappa Swami Puja. You should have invited us, no? For food. In Ayappa Swami, good food is there. Yes, Deepak. So it is one day break from hostel food. Good food. I heard so many people are not paid the full amount again. Okay. Only they paid half amount. Don't know. My wife went free by bus to her home. Now she booked Ola auto to come to home from Hyderabad bus stand. Wow. That is. Okay, open, right? So what is by hackathons? Hackathons is nothing but a like competition. They'll provide one data set. You need to create a machine learning models on that. And the results will upload on the website. They'll give one rank to you. They'll give one rank. Don't expect first rank, second rank, okay? That is, there are two types of hackathons will be available. One is for knowledge base, another one is the paid. Okay, paid one. That means. So generally we go for knowledge based only. So paid means generally startups, startups. They will hire you like you kind of people and they will participate in the paid hackathons. They'll get the funds. They'll get the fund. That is the fundraising things. Now, yes, so many hackathons are there. These are upcoming, close, active. Just click on the active thing. Query domain classification, loan prediction. Let's start with loan prediction. Already 80,000 people are enrolled. One community is there. Loan prediction. Okay, what is the problem is there? Loan prediction is there. HR analytics is there. So I will just show you how to download and all these things. Next, what will happen? I will share the links. What are the hackathon links? You can pick any one of that. You can start the analysis. And that analysis you need to present in the class. The EDA, PPT, everyone. Everyone in the class you need to present. Everyone will give that, yeah, approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Will give that. So 100 into 3 minutes, that means 5 hours. In 5 hours, we can close. Maybe one full Saturday, that is. Anyhow, 100 members are not presenting, right? In the class. Every day we are now, how many are presented today? 35. Now, how many are there? 30. 65. That means 65 people will start. In that, how many will complete? 30 members will complete. 30 PPTs. 30 into 5 minutes, 150. 150 minutes time. 150 minutes means 2.5 hours. We can finish in Saturday, right? Yeah, that's good. Let's see. Then that is the thing. Now let's go to the participate here. This task is very, very important, ma. Everyone need to do analysis and presentation in the classroom. One good presentation, definitely we'll do the poll. Definitely I will give the gift. One good insights. Whether you जो you कभी English में बताओ, English में और हिंदी में बताओ, कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता. The good insights. Good insights. If you provide, you will get one nice gift. Okay, iPhone gift है. Next, register. Before register, you'll ask the login and register. But if you click on register, continue with Google. Continue with Google. Then again, you will see your Google N. You are saying right? N means my name. It is registered. Clear, ma? Can you please confirm the chat? Very good. Now you see here about data science resource that we know it ma problem statement ko. Problem statement. What is this here? Dream Housing Finance Company details in all kinds of home loans. They have presence across all urban, semi-urban, rural. Customer first applies that home loan and company validates the same problem. I worked in Accenture for HDFC Bank. Same thing. HDFC Bank is our customer. We worked for them. There are two kinds of loans. One is the self-employed, another one is the salaried. So salaried is very easy, but self-employed is a little tricky, right? Generally. So that is the one problem statement. So that problem only we will add in your resume as a machine learning problem. That is a project. Okay. HDFC Bank, that is the only we will add. That is the first project. So think like that, the data set and everything is this. Think like that you are working in the Accenture under me and we got the HDFC Bank as a client project and that is the data set is in your hands now. Imagine like that. Okay. Now company wants to automate the loan eligibility process based on the customer detail provided. These details are gender, marital status, education and everything. So here these are the columns are there. What are the columns? Loan ID, gender, married, dependents and everything. There's a loan status is there. That is the output. That is the target column. Loan approved, yes or no. Loan approved, yes or no. Now all the bank projects, if you want to do ML algorithm, this is the kind of the problem, right? This is one kind of problem. Imagine all kind of banks, not only HDFC Bank, any bank. This is one kind of the problem. Now test file will be same, submission file. There are three files are there. One is the train data, another one is the test data, another is the submission file. Forget about all. Only concentrate on the train file now because you are doing analysis, not machine learning model development. You start doing what? Analysis. Now go to that. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Go down, go down. Lost. A train file, test file. You want to download it, train file now. Just click on the train file. It will downloads in your local. The loan ID, gender, married, dependent, education. It is CSV file or everything that is. Now start your analysis. Okay. Start your analysis. The best thing is what happened that the 3 place aa gaya. 3 place. It is actually a categorical column or numerical column. Check it. And 3 place convert to place is there. Now you need to remove the place. 3 place means 4 or 5 or 6 kind of children's dependents. 3 plus. So 3 plus ko cut off ko 3 karo or 4 karo like the otherwise take all this. How many 3 plus are there? Take that many. Do whatever you do analysis. This is called data pre-processing. Data pre-processing. Understood? Everyone is able to do? Start this. You don't have any option. This is the only your job. This is the only your job. Very good. Start the analysis from today onwards. Yeah, let's come to the heat map. At the time we'll do no. And again, 2 more sessions are there in ADA. Either is there. Don't do now. So what I'm saying is, still that ADA analysis in the class is not completed. There is one more session is there, missing value analysis session is there. So meanwhile, you can start. There's so much thing is there, right? You can start analysis that. Okay. At least EDA session 1, session 2. Session 2 you can do na today. Categorical, numerical, you can do quick checks and all this you can do right today. At least that. So it will take some time. So tell me what is the timeline? 30, I'm not available. Array, 23rd. 28th, Thursday? Thursday? Tell me. 10 days. 10 days. Okay. Okay, ma. Can you please confirm the chat? 28. 28 do good presentation and 28 शिरडी जाने के लिए मेरे तुम्हारे लिए blessings. I will do some worship. Okay. 28. Yeah, save the date. 28 is the deadline. 28th. 28th, I will stop the 7:15 batch people also. In the same classroom. You need to explain all in front of them. Okay. And this is the last chance, no? Next you will do in job only, no? One day, whatever, suddenly your manager will say that you need to explain to client. Then what you will do? No, 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 no. Like that you will do. Then he will also, no, 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 no. He will remove the job. He will remove the job. So yes, we need to wait for the chance. You need to wait for the chance. Give me one chance because you want to grow, right? You want to grow in the career. So that is 28th is fine, ma. 28th is the date. 28th is the date. This is not only the file. Today I will share the files. 10 files I will share. Out of the 10 files, you need to pick whatever you want to your file. Okay. Don't do cheat. Take one file, all people that only do, don't do cheat kind of thing. Take different files and then you can exchange, no? That insights and all the Python file that you can exchange. So that is 10 files I will share. Great. And I will show the insights also. I will share this also, ma, for you. Like I have done one project for these guys, right? That UK guys. Suppose this MBA data analysis is there. What is there? MBA data analysis. What are the type of insights you can make it? Like that. So like suppose if you see here 70 inverse 13 and missing values analysis. So GMAT knows the percentage of people that is missing values imputation, type of university. So this is nothing but what you can do put in PPTs and what you can explain that will give the insights. These documents I have written, okay, for them. This is their final year project. So they said the data sets I have written for them. Suppose if you see histogram, 42, 16, 7, 2 is there. What I have written? If you see out of 70 universities, 42 universities have maximum 333 enrollments. Correct? What is there here number? 333. How many universities are there? 42. That is the insight. That you need to explain. That you need to explain to me. And not only that, that's the percentage. In terms of percentage, you need to explain always. Always remember, good statisticians or data analysts will explain in terms of percentages. Percentages. 60% of universities having maximum 333 enrollments. Like this is. We can analyze same statistical 50 percentile value, 70 percentile value. This analysis and outliers, average starting base salary, one column, and again the describe function, type, full-time enrollment. Everything is there here. Okay. So this also I will share with you. This also I will share with you. So this is just for your reference. What kind of analysis you want to provide. Okay, good. Everything in your hand now. You can start the analysis. Can you please confirm the chat? Online people are slept or what? Very less people are attended today. What is occasion yesterday? Match. Match anyhow, no match. What are the other the occasion? Have you enjoyed yesterday? Big, big boss. Show me your face. Big boss. Big boss every week will come, no? Acha, who won? Prashant. He is actor or who is that? Farmer. Wow. Farmer. Very good. So YouTuber, not YouTuber, just farmer. How can they enroll the farmer like that? No, that is not the case, no? Because of that means YouTuber he is. TikToker. Read the packages and read the data. Then why you are saying farmer? We don't have that much fancy ma. They'll not enroll farmer, they will not enroll shopkeepers. Okay. If either he is a YouTuber or he is an actor or TikToker. And that is a different sympathy के लिए you can say farmer, you can say anything that is. No? Really farmer? अच्छा. Read the packages and read the data. Import numpy as np. Import pandas as pd. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt and import cbon as sns. Read the data ma. Suri, what you have done? Weekends gone through that? No? Busy? Visa DF. Just go to the correlation now. CORR function. CORR function. Just go through the CORR function, everyone. So again, those who are pandas version is very, very low. You don't need to provide anything. Those who are pandas version is high. You need to provide numeric only equal to true, correct? So that is nothing but visa df dot CORR numeric only equal to true. So this is we done last time, right? Yes. Confirm? Utkar, Srishti, Sabita, Suresh, Nagarani, Anudeep, Uma. Yeah, this is till now we done, right? Very good. Now onward, the next 1 month is very, very crucial, ma. Okay, next 1 month you will complete almost, machine learning. Machine learning theoretical, that all with mathematics, everything will be completed by January 20th. Okay, by this month only we'll start in the, now I think Wednesday onwards we'll start statistics part 2. Statistics part will finish, then we'll enter into the machine learning, linear regression. Then what happen every day, one algorithm mathematics, 2 hours every day. All maths we will learn. Then before Pongal only almost everything is completed. So next 1 month is very, very important. And after 1 month is very, 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 very important. Okay. Pongal chutti hai. 2 दिन I think. How many days you want? 10 days. Wait for 1 month. जिंदगी के लिए छुट्टी. Very, very important for next 2 months. Okay. No, whenever you see this is a like a matrix kind of thing, right? It's a matrix kind of thing. So showing values in a matrix, showing values in a matrix is a different type of show, and showing the values, showing values in a diagram, okay, in a picture is a different kind of thing. And that picture is nothing but called, we call heat map. Showing values in the terms of picture, the same matrix. Now SNS dot heat map, SNS dot heat map, inside you need to pass this matrix. Inside you need to pass this matrix. So that's why that matrix I'm saving in another variable. To avoid the confusion, I'm giving that CORR data. What I'm providing ma? CORR data. This is the matrix values. Matrix values saved in CORR underscore data. And that we are passing the CORR underscore data. Now, if I run this, 9 boxes will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 9, how many boxes will come? 9 boxes will come. Now, just write this, I will show you. 9 boxes will come. SNS dot heat map of COR data. Now this bar is a red. This bars will keep on changing. What is the maximum value in this bar? Now what is the color of this? That means that color also is 1. This color and this one color is same. That means here what is the value? 1. Here what is the value? 1. Here is what is the value? Other than what are the other colors? Black color. What is the black color? 0. Now see here. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. The colors will say the values. Colors will say the, for different data set, maybe the again different colors will come. Because the values might be different, right? Now, in order to see the values, annotation, there is a annot will be there. Shift to tab. Annot. 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 Annot equal to true. Annot equal to true. Now the values will come. Annot equal to true. Now you can see the values. That values is approximately equal to 0. Annot equal to true. Friday, what happened? I entered that I'm going to meal. I forget to that I done the meal. In that at 5 o'clock I realize. Generally, what happened? I need to enter in. There's one more option, meal out. Okay, then we need to enter that meal out. That means I'm going to for lunch. Again, after half an hour, 45 minutes, again we need to come meal in again. Again, that means I completed my meal. That means I'm ready to office work. Again, what option? Largest option, out option. That means log out. I went lunch, but I forget to do that. Today I need to request them. Who will remember all these things? Very bad this is. If we go to the office, what happened? That swipe machine will not enter allow you, right? Inside the room. So definitely we can remember. How can we remember all these things? So that is one Bakwas thing that is. Yeah. Now the importance of this we will check by reading the one more data. I already given the wine quality data set. Can you read that once again? Wine quality data set, it is there in the Google Classroom. If you're not downloaded, then just listen the class at least today. A wine quality. Wine quality data sets. All the data sets are in the Google Classroom. Wine quality red. Let's take this. Wine DF. It is there in the Google Classroom. It's okay. If you're not able to get this, I want to show you that what is the importance of heat map. Now all are which columns? Numerical. If you find the correlation, what is your matrix size? Tell me what is your matrix size? 1000. Use some brain, Ray. What is matrix size? 12 by 12. 144. 12 columns are there, na? Each column with correlated with another column. Here, how many numerical columns are there? 3. That's why how many are there? 3 into 3. Here, how many numerical are there? 12. So 12 into 12 will come. So YNDF dot CORR. How many values are there? 144 values are there. Now tell me that quickly. What is the highest correlation between which variables? Quickly. Faster is fast. It is difficult, right? That's why the heat map will help you. That's why the heat map will help you. Now you can say in a heat map very easily. SNS dot heat map YNDF dot CORR. I'm not providing numeric equal to true, still it is running. Why? Because all are numeric only. Now ANA not equal to true. Now tell me quickly. We'll increase the size. PLT dot figure fig size 8,8. Tell me which is the highest one? 10,10 will give. 1n or 1n, na? Yourself, variance is always 1. What is there here? 0.8, some colors, see? 0.67, the color. What is the black going till now? Minus 0.6. That means minus 0.6 is number also is there. What is the number is there? Minus 0.6. See, minus 0.5 is there. Minus 0.5 is there. Minus 0.6 is there. Black color. Now it is easily to understand. 0.67 is the maximum. Of course, 1 is there. But 1 you should not count. Variance itself, variance is always 1. What is the next biggest value? 0.67. कौन है? Fixed acidity, citric acid. Fixed acidity and citric acid. Understood, right, everyone? So heat map is very, very good, right? Fixed acidity and citric acid. PLT dot scatter YNDF fixed acidity, comma YNDF citric acid. citric acid. How much relation is there? 67% relation is there. Positive or negative? Positive. So if you run this, what should come here? So you see it is increasing. Increasing, right? So it is increasing. Linearly increasing. How much it is increasing? 67%. Now shall we do pH versus and fixed acidity? pH. The same thing. Just look at the board. pH. Negatively related. Decreasing, right? See how much it is there? 68. Minus 0.68. Minus means what happened? Negative. Positive means increasing. How much that is going? 67. And another one is going that 68. So heat map is very, very good. You can see that instead of you see these values, you can directly see that whatever the increasing, whatever the decrease. Understood, guys? So you're writing which one? This one? I'll keep all together once. This is for just testing. This is for just testing. I'm writing all together. So this is we are reading. And then YNDF CORR. So this is the correlation. And this is the heat map. This is the heat map. And this is the checking plots. Note down this. Those who want to note down that. Heat map is very, very good, ma heat map. In my team, there are 20 members are there. So they given some random names. So we need to set the Christmas gifts to that guy. That's the task. Christmas gift task. And that guy is coming to me is in Uttarakhand. I need to send a courier to Uttarakhand. Can you tell me how many knows that? Can anyone knows that? Can I send you an Amazon voucher? That is also surprisingly in his email ID. I want to send you a voucher, something, a gift card voucher to your email ID. Can I do that? How can I know that email ID is a account linked to that Amazon account or not? Kind of. Does not matter. We can send just voucher code. Okay, we'll work out that then. Then how can I send that physical courier to Uttarakhand? I don't have that much time. We need to buy. If I send like 2000 rupees, we can buy anything, no? If you have any good idea, help me, okay? Directly put his address in Amazon. But we don't know that his account is there or not. What she's saying is, we will be doing a gift opening on 21st December. Okay, 3 days is there. Please try to send the gifts as soon as possible so that it can reach on time. You can use the address sheet to for refer respective addresses. Now listen. If you are sending through any e-commerce site, make sure billing and delivery address is same so that secrecy is maintained. It should be secret. Tell me the ideas now. After the class, how can I send? I don't know this. You don't need accounts, sir. Address enough. Secret Santa. Correct, Uma. Then we'll talk after the call then. She says share Secret Santa. Acha. Oh, Santa Claus आ गया secrets and you'll give gift ना surprise gifts. Yes, yes. This time we'll plan differently then. Surprise gifts. Not class. You want total class surprise gifts. Gifts for kids, no? I'll plan to my kids. No, no, not my kids. I don't have kids. You're also kid. You're also kid. Yes, I know. Next session. Yeah. Put EDS 7, convert categorical to numerical. These all are interview questions, ma. Convert categorical to numerical. Categorical data to numerical data. Again, quickly. Import packages and read the data. Import packages and read the data. Fifty plus 38. We said F only. This is only for your idea. Whatever I'm showing this to you is only for your idea how the big columns, categorical, numerical columns will be displayed on the heat map. Okay, Saurav? Don't feel bad. Okay, Rohit Sharma is legend only. Okay. Whether they remove the captaincy or not captaincy, रोहित शर्मा विराट कोहली कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता उन दोनों के लिए. అది కూడా మంచి కెప్టెన్సా? Don't feel bad then. Ultimately we want cups. First people admire about Sachin, then Dhoni, then Kohli, now Rohit. After someone will come, no? That is only a bad arguments. Okay. There's no arguments. Everyone is good. If you want to cup, all 11 members should play. Always remember, In the family, no, in the family koi problem ho gaya, what you will take care of? You will discuss with mama, papa, elder brother and everyone, no? Family sit together and they will discuss how can we proceed. Then that is called family is nothing but like this. So we Indians also always like this. Don't do all bad arguments. Always. You will get after this, after 5 years. Then you realize, okay, nothing will happen. Only we need to do our work. That will happen. Yeah. So in machine learning algorithms, in machine learning, algorithms will develop models by using maths. So maths allows only numbers. So it is very, very important. So it is very important. You need to pass numerical data only. Numerical data only. So we need to convert. So we need to convert categorical data to numerical data. For that, we have encoding methods. Encoding. So two types of encoding methods is there. One is label encoder and another one is one hot encoder. Again, under the label encoder, how can we achieve label encoder is by using map method and np.where method. The package is called label encoder. Package from sklearn. Package name is called label encoder. Label encoder package. And one hot encoder is nothing but pd.get dummies will be there. So all are interview questions now. And machine learning algorithm will develop everything by using maths. Maths means only numbers. So we need to pass the numerical data. So we need to convert categorical data to numerical data. For that we have encoding methods. In that encoding, two types of encoding, label encoder and one hot encoder. In that label encoder, we can achieve three ways. One is map method, another one is np.where method, another one is label encoder package is there. And that package is where is coming from? sklearn. And one more method is called one hot encoder that we can achieve by using called pandas.get dummies method. Pandas.get dummies method. Now put side heading map method. Put side heading map method. Done. Next, map method. Method 1. You can go with the method 1. Method 1. Map. So first, read any categorical column. For example, here we'll take the case status. Case status is very simple. So read any categorical column. Check how many unique labels are there. Create a dictionary. Create a dictionary with those unique labels by providing a number as value. Unique labels as keys by providing a number as a values. So let's come to here. BSRDF square bracket case status dot unique. Dot unique. How many are there unique? 2 are there. One is denied is there. Another one is the certified is there. Now create a dictionary. Create a dictionary. Denied. Denied equal to 1 or zeros. Either you want to go with alphabetical order or you want to go with denied or your wish. So if you go to with alphabetical order, C is come first. Certified attached a 0 value and denied attach a 1 value. You can provide anything. Instead of 0, you can provide 10. Instead of 1, you provide 20 also. Whatever you are providing, your machine learning model also give the same output. Your machine learning model, suppose you are giving output as 1. Then what is the meaning? It is nothing but denied. If your machine learning is giving 0, then what is the meaning of that? It is giving certified. So if you want to provide 10 and 20, then 10 and 20 only output as will come. Understood, guys? You can provide anything. So that is the dict 1. B's are DF, case status, unique. Okay, we check the case status and we check the unique labels are 2. 2 unique labels are there. We created a dictionary, certified and denied. Create a dictionary with those unique labels. Now we need to apply the map. So visa DF, case status. These are the values. Denied is the first value. Certified is the second value. This we are mapping. We are mapping to a dictionary. We are mapping to a dictionary. Then wherever certified is there, replace with 0. Wherever denied is there, replace with 1. That is the meaning. We are mapping. These values we are mapping with some other values. Understand, guys? Easy. So this is a mapping. First step is check the case status unique. How many unique are there? 2 unique values are there. So create a dictionary. Certified equal to 0. Denied equal to 1. Now map the original values. Now map the original values. I request you to read the column here. Otherwise you will overwrite and you will confuse and you will say that again. Read the column every cell. When I say read the data here. Please everyone read the data to avoid the confusion. Take this and read the data. Everyone read the data and then apply the map here. Apply the map. Read the data. To avoid the confusion, read the data. So we are reading the data. We are checking that how many unique are there. We created a dictionary and we are mapping. Now we are mapping, but we are not replacing the column. Now the question is again same questions ma. Do you want overwrite? Do you want overwrite the existed column? Existed column, or do you want to create a new column? Do you want to create a new column? There are two questions again, correct? Do you want to create a new column, or do you want to create a overwrite existed column? Note down this. Are you following? Can you please confirm the chat? Uma, yes. Rishi, yes. Gadam, yes. Utkarsh, yes. Very good. Now let's put side and create a new column. Create a new column. Again, just copy this entire thing. Read the data and copy thing. This is we are checking how it is working, and this we are creating a column. Again, copy paste. Create a new column. You know how to create a new column, right? This is your data now. This is your data. Now this data, how can you create a new column? Visa df square bracket k status numeric. This we done 100 times. This is the output. This output we are providing into a new column. What is the new column name here? K status num. K status num. K status num. Correct, ma? This we done many times, right? How to create a new column? Follow in the chart. Where are you now? Everyone is here in this now? Yeah. Now run this. क्या हो रहा है? Run this. Now check the visa df. After run this, check the visa df. You extra column will be created. 1010 and check here. Denied equal to 1. Certificate equal to 0. Denied equal to 1. Denied equal to 1. It is created a new column. Created a new column. Read the data pakka. Otherwise you'll confuse ma. You'll definitely confuse. You'll think like that Python will be override, right? The old answer again you will see, sir, it is not converting. That's why read the data in the cell. When I said read the data means read the data first. That only. Can you check that? Can you read the data and exactly write like this? Have you read the data? Srishti? Can you do exact like the spelling mistakes? Capital C, capital D. Don't do the spelling mistakes. Certified and denied. Done. Now drop the column. This is a very bad idea. You should not create a new columns because you want to feed the machine learning in the model, no? How many columns you will create? New. We should overwrite. If in case if you want to check like this, you can check that quickly by creating a new column. That is fine. That is fine. If you want to check here quickly, you can do that. Yeah. Spelling mistake. Drop it. You know how to drop, right? VSRDF dot drop column name x is equal to 1 in place equal to true. So many times we did this. Case status only. Num, case status num. Drop the case status 1. Drop case status num. Drop case status num. VSRDF dot drop case status num comma x is equal to 1 in place equal to true. X is equal to 1 for columns, in place equal true means you want to save the output in the same data frame name. Then VSRDF do it now again. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Note down this. Good. Next, put side heading, overwrite in the same column. Swarsh is good. Hey Murli, I'm just walking from bus stand to railway station. Okay. But curiously, I asked to auto. Okay. How much he said? Just guess. The bus stand Tirupati to railway station Tirupati is from starting here to that junction road is there, na? Bakery. That much distance only is there. And they say 200 rupees. He thought I am new to Tirupati, might be. 200 rupees. From where to where? Naresh Chetty building to bakery है ना junction में. 200 rupees. Then he says, he's asking me how much you will give. I will give 20 rupees. He showed a face like the L. Next. See how autos are doing nowadays. Now put siding next, overwrite in the same column. This is the preferable, okay? Now Jesh, again read the data. Same thing. But this time, generally you will think like that there is an axis 1 in place equal to true, but it's not available in the map. In the map method, we don't have in place equal to true. If in place equal true means you know the meaning, right? It will save in the same. So that's why what you need to provide, you need to provide case status here. To provide case status only. Same column name you need to provide here. Same column name. Case status. Instead of providing a new column name, you need to provide the same column name because in place equal to true is not there. Is not there. In place equal to true, x is equal to 1 is not there. That is your wish. You want to keep certified equal to 1 or 0, that is your wish. Numerical column you need to drop, Hamza. No, Hamza. See here, we created, now come here, Hamza. We created a new column, okay? What is the column we created? Case status num. Under Hamza? Case status num. That means we created a new column. That is not recommended. I just show you if you want to create a new column, how you want to create it. That's why we dropped it. Again, what happened? We dropped it. That is the one method. That is the one method. Whenever you modified the column, you have two questions. You want to overwrite or you want to create a new column. Understood, guys? Can you please confirm the chat? Especially Amja. Now run this. Now visa DF. Now case status will be replaced now. 101010. Now it will replace case status. Just type case status. Your left side, you want to provide the column name, right? You want to overwrite same column name. You want to create new column name. Simple. Data type, that only you need to provide any data type, Sabita. How you are providing a dictionary? I want to provide a dictionary. The mapping, right? The just mapping. Dates also it will works. Want to replace date equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. How you want to replace? Again, that you want to write a Python code if you want any modification. Everyone is good, right? No doubts. Pakka. Can I assume that? Can you please confirm the chat? I need at least 5 members answers. Suresh is good. Nagarani is good. Utkarsh is good. Uma is good. Sabita is good. Srishti is good. What about others? Navdeep. Gantasala, Manohar, Monali, Bhumika, Pragati, Priyanka, Rani, Sahiti, Sriya, Shoaib, Anudeep. Next. Now take the continent column. Take the continent column. Visa DF continent dot unique. Dot unique. How many are there? 6 are there. So it is a very bad idea. You write like 0 and 1, 2 like manually, right? Can you create a dictionary automatically? Create a dictionary like this automatically by using a simple Python logic. Python logic. You are writing now Africa, you are writing like this, right? North America. If you ask you create a dictionary, how can you do? How can you do? You'll write, right? That I don't want to write. Your Python logic should create for all. Now see, case status means you write 2, denied and certified. Here content means what you'll write? Asia you'll write, Africa you'll write, everything that you'll write. That is a bad thing, right? So we need to create a Python logic for this. That Python logic should create a dictionary automatically for any categorical column. 0, 1, 2, 3. No? Ata. That also I need to say answer. Understand question? Yeah, you can do anything. Understand question? Okay, status may you have written like this. Correct. This is a case status. In the continent, how you will write? North America equal to 2, you will write. Suppose your categories changes, your writing changes. No. That you need to know not to give like that. I read at least one member give the answer. I'm very happy. Because I have given in the evening batch that no one had done. I very much bad. And I so much angry on them. I will angry on you also now if you don't do like this. It's a very easy question. Venki, very easy question. Just create a dictionary comprehension or for loop or whatever you want. No need required of count, ma. For loop or create a zip. For loop. See, Srishti, your answer is correct, but whenever you want number, right, use the range function for I in range of. That we discuss, right? Basic thing. Whenever you want numbers, use the range function. The length of this one, n unique will give the number easily. Then create a dictionary. Amma, at least you save me. If you not do, I will be very, very unhappy. It's a very easy task. Unique answer is there. How many also you know? Just simple iteration for loop. For I in range of visa df unique. I will come 0, 1 आता. You know how to create a dictionary. You done 100 number of times. How to create a dictionary. That's it. Utkarsh. Got it, Saurabh? Question. Understood question or not till now? Not only unique, any column. If I provide certified also, any variable, you provide any variable that should come. Are simple na Saurav. Okay, status may how many labels are there? If I ask you create a dictionary, what you will do? You will write no, certified 0, denied 1. If I ask you continent, how many labels are there? If I ask you to do, what you will do? You will write no. That you should not do. The code will create. You just pass the column name. Automatically, what the output should come? हाँ और डिप्रेशन में बाहर आ जाओ पहले रोहित शर्मा के डिप्रेशन में फिर क्वेश्चन समझ आता हाँ you can use the range functions no need count of count plus one your dictionary comprehension those who are done Sabita and Srishti create dictionary comprehension these are all questions they will ask you in interviews ma Everyone is added in the Google Classroom. Still anyone left here in our classroom? Everyone added? Monali? Still your name is not there? For I in what happens, Rabia? Print I, what is coming? Length, huh? Deepak, very good. Length. Continent. Okay, this is the count, this is the number. Number. So 0, 1, 2, 3 आ गए. Simple. Now what do you require? A dictionary. Create empty dictionary here. DICT1 equal to empty dictionary. Now instead of print I should become now value. Now key, how can you come key? How can you get key? Oh, first value na? First value B star DF continent square bracket I. Square bracket I. Asia 2, only Asia is coming. Why? Unique. 0. V star DF continent unique. You need to write the unique also. Unique. आ गए ना? वो यूनिक वाला है. वो यूनिक इज नथिंग बट ए इंडेक्स है. इंडेक्स और 0 है तो पहले आसिया आता. Africa means 1 आता. North America means 2 will come. Okay, you just do it. If you are getting confusion, take this one more variable and make it as a labels, right? These are the labels. Now, or what is the labels now? Labels like this. That's the number. Now your ASI is coming, 0 is coming. Instead of printing, what you need to do? You need to get the dictionary, na? DICT 1 square bracket equal to. This is the way you need to create a dictionary. This will be done many times. Labels I. But labels will not come, right? Remove quotes. Now DICT1. Now the same thing you can create a dictionary comprehension. Is the labels I colon I. Now for I in range of now. This is a dictionary comprehension. Same thing. Now what is num means? This is num. This is labels. You can directly write in the one line also, but if it is big, some people will confuse. That's why I'm breaking. I'm saving into labels. I'm putting in the number. How many are done? Raise your hands. Oh, wow. Definitely will qualify Python round. Okay. Sometimes what happen na, for you it is not working. This lines. This happen na, we have seen in the starting days. Some people are list is not working. They are changing to tuple. Tuple is not working. Sometimes what happen, it is not working, but it will not work on other platforms. Don't worry. Those who are not done, at least you got the idea that you need to implement the idea, Asma, that you need to practice some more time. But I am happy. Next, put side heading np dot where. Sharma. Very good. Next, put side heading np dot where. Method 2. np dot where. We want to iterate a loop, you can create many dictionaries like that, correct? You can change into column name that we already separated categorical column separately, numerical column separately. We can make this as I, okay? But that is not recommended anyhow. Now method 2. Yeah, read the data again. Read the data again. Read the data again. Method 2. Always read the data, because we already override, right? We already override. Read the data again. Read the data again. Now np.where will take only two conditions, binary conditions, right? It is like kind of a if and else. Last class you done if and else. That's the same replaced by np.where. Both if and else, np.where is same. That everyone got it? Last class we have done what we have done, np.where, tell me median imputation. I given a task. Everyone iterated, right? If that value is greater than lower bound or less than upper bound, replace with median, else same value. So whatever if and else, that nothing but what? np dot where. So np dot where is for only binary conditions. That means for only two labels. Only for two labels. More than two labels, it will not work. Why it will not work? You will give a condition wherever Asia equal to happen, make this 0, other than what will happen? All are become what? Different answer. Only for it is happen for only binary conditions. Binary condition means two labels. Now only case status. Case status is what? Certified is there, denied is there. For that kind of categorical columns only it will works. Understood? Now let's write np dot where. First of all, np dot where is for only the binary. np dot where is applicable for binary conditions. Binary conditions. Which means it is applicable only for two labels. Two labels. np dot where inside will take one condition. Inside will take what happen? One condition. And then if that condition is true, then will take the true value. Otherwise, what will provide? False value. False value. For example, case status. For example, case status has two labels, correct? In that, we apply if certified equal to that column value. What is the condition we can write? That condition equal to corresponding column values equal to certified. Then replace all certified with what? 0. Then true value means replace all certified values with 0. What is false value? False means nothing but which values? False means nothing but which values? Denied values. Because certified, right? Certified, what is the opposite is there? Denied. Then automatically denied, replace all denied, what happen? Replace all denied values with 1. Understood now why I am saying binary means? If is certified is not equal to means it is equal to what? Denied only. For denied, what is the value? 1. For certified, what is the value? 0. What is the condition? What is the condition? Column values equal to do it. Do it np dot where now. Check it. Understood my everyone? Can you please confirm the chat? Do it everyone. np dot where. First write the condition. Next true value. Next false value. np dot where the condition. What is the condition? CON equal to what is the column? How can you retrieve the column values? Visa DF square bracket case status equal to certified. This is the condition. If this condition equal to true, then 0. Otherwise 1. That's all. आ गया अरे and that you want to provide in same column or different column? Same column. Then write the column. Visa DF case status. That's it. Now Visa DF now you will see dot head case status will replace with ones and zeros. Very good. Understood now np.where? Same condition if and else. If and else we are applying to np.where. Condition true value, false value. This np.where you can ask to any people ma. They're not able to write. So I'm very happy if you able to write the np.where conditions. Very simple, right? Condition, true value, false value. If you want to check, you can check with other students or so-called data scientists also. So which is good? Map is good or np.where is good? But where is better, but where will not applicable for all the columns, no? If we give ACA, what happen? Only ACA become 0, remaining all are what? 1, 1, 1, 1 will come. It is applicable for only binary. So next, and one more method and we'll close the session today. Last method. Put siding label encoder. And that is the only we will use in the industry, ma. You can't believe that. Okay. In our office, one guy is there. He's a 4-year data science guy. He is replaced all 196 countries with IDs with the dictionary. He has written manually. By manually. I asked him why you are doing like this. He written manually. I will share the screenshot and put in the WhatsApp group today. He done manually. A, B, C, D, like I in India. Okay, RA Russia, Russia 2, India 1, like that 196 values. He is write manually. Now you created a dictionary like this. Now this is the quality of code or that is the quality of code? This is I want the developers. Okay, today I will show you that. Next, put siding label encoder. You don't know, ma. There is one beautiful people you can face in industry. Okay. Put siding label encoder. Get the idea and practice it. Starting 1 month, we done Python very rigorously, right? And that is will boost us. Label encoder. So label encoder is a package. From sklearn. We can say method. Label encoder is a method generally. Method from sklearn. Under sklearn, we have submodules are there. Submodules. We have submodules. One of the submodule name is called pre-processing. So we are doing pre-processing, right? So under sklearn, under pre-processing, we have label encoder. Under sklearn, under pre-processing, we have label encoder is a method. L is capital and E is capital. Don't do spelling mistakes. One guy messaged me, he say he done the spelling mistakes and he's saying that the package is not working. What should I do? That's why make sure habit of enter tabs. Tab. Okay. Make habit of enter the tabs. Any mission, any sklearn packages. This is a God trick, ma. This is a God trick. Any sklearn packages we have only 3 steps. Any package. All machine learning Python is very, very simple. Only 3 steps. All machine learning. Only 3 steps. Step 1 is read the package. Read the package. And step 2, what is the step 2? Tell me, you know that. Save the package. And step 3, apply fit transform. Apply fit transform. You need to remember these 3. Only 3. Read the package, save the package, apply fit transform. Read the package, save the package, apply fit transform, then your machine learning in Python is over. Okay, that's why don't run behind about the machine learning Python. Run behind the concepts. Machine learning Python is over if you run these steps. Now first step 1, read the package. From sklearn, enter tab. From sklearn dot pre-processing, enter tab. Dot pre-processing, import label encoder, enter tab. Don't write it. You will get spelling mistakes. From sklearn dot pre-processing, import label encoder. Now do it. That's the method, na? Import karna tha, not from. Okay, we learn like this, right? Import random, then random dot rand int 10 comma 20. Okay, that is same. From the same thing we can write like this. From random import rand int. Then directly you can use rand int. Directly you can use rand int 10 comma 20. Both are same. So you want to use from sklearn directly, you can use label encoder as like this rand int. Otherwise, what you need to do? You need to import sklearn. Again, sklearn dot pre-processing dot again label encoder. So both are same. Import random, random dot rand int. How we are taking 2 lines, and this is in the single line. उधर से import करना था, किधर से? sklearn dot pre-processing. कौन सा? Label encoder वाला. Like this. Now this is a step 1. It is a step 1. Now what is the step 2? Save the package, right? Now LE equal to label encoder. That's it. LE equal to label encoder. Step 1 is imported package. Very simple, ma. What we are doing? We are doing what? Pre-processing. Pre-processing available where? sklearn. sklearn label encoder. You don't need to by heart also. In EDA, we are using label encoder. EDA is nothing but pre-processing, data analysis. All are EDA, right? So EDA. Now, LE. Like this. As LE. Now you can do that as LE. As LE you can do, but you need to save. Anyhow, you need to save again. LE square bracket, again you need to save. Now LE, what is the third step? Step 3. Step 3. LE dot fit transform. Fit transform. LE dot fit transform. Now just learn about what is fit transform. Put side heading fit and transform. Fit transform. Fit and transform, two different words, ma. Fit and transform, two different definitions. Two different definitions. Suppose you have seen a value 1 comma age equal like this there. Age equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to create a new age column. You want to create a new age by adding, listen first, each observation with mean value. With mean value. That means your output should be, you want to write x plus mean. X plus mean. What is the mean? What is the mean, ma? 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus. Listen first. Don't concentrate on writing. Don't concentrate on writing. Listen first. 3. Then what is the new age equal to? The first observation is 1 plus 3. Second observation is 2 plus 3. Third observation is 3 plus 3. Fourth one is 3. Fifth observation is 5 plus 3. So this calculating mean is nothing but fitting. It is called nothing but fitting. And once you calculate, you are applying on the original data. That is called transforming. That is called transforming. So fitting and transform will combine together, it will works. So what is certified equal to? 1. What is denied equal to? That is fitting. Then you want to apply on the original data, right? That is nothing but transforming. That is nothing but transforming. So that's a fit and transform. Interview question. Fit and transform. So Asia equal to 0, Africa equal to 1. That is nothing but fitting. Then you want to apply on the transform. So fitting and transform. And this is nothing but transforming. Nothing but transform. Now you want to transform, fit and transform on which one? Case status. So you have to provide the case status inside the bracket. So then visa df square bracket case status. Then again what happened? Array is created. Array is created. This is step 3. This is step 3. Step 3 ma. sklearn dot pre-processing import label encoder and fit transform. What you want to do? Visa df and case status. Visa df case status. Again, that you want to save a new variable or old variable? Simple. This output you want to save in a same variable, right? So again, what you need to do? Equal to visa df case status. Before that, read the data again. Read the data again. Automatically. That is called label package. Map we are doing, right? That will do automatically. But which one is denied? Which one is certified? How can you know that is? Which one is denied? Which one is certified? How can you know that is? Note on this now. You want to write this? Why you want to write this, right? You want to write everything. Want to, ma? Sir? No? Class lo na, sir. Sir. Hello? Hello? So in map method, what you are doing generally in map method? You are mapping, right? You are writing map. This is nothing but fitting. Then you want to apply on the data, right? That's nothing but transforming. So in the label encoder, it's doing automatically two both together. We'll do that. First, let's note on this. Hello? Sir, good morning, sir. Class lo na, sir. 5 minutes, sir. Then. Note on this first. Now do for continent. सब बना रहा है. Read the data again. That's the data, no? You need to compare the data, right? Why sub बना रहा है? Don't confuse. That is values, right? Do like this. No, for everyone. That's a do continent, no? Do for continent. Do for continent. You'll understand. Do for continent, my everyone. Do for continent. Continent equal to LE dot fit transform on continent. Okay. Fit transform on continent. Continent spelling mistake है क्या? Capital C. Correct only. Then visa DF. Now print the visa DF. Visa DF. Now what is the continent? 11110 आ रहा है ना? क्या क्या सभी बना रहे रे? हाँ सौरभ? हाँ. What is coming now? 0 आ रहा है ना? Oh, 1 means Africa, I think. 1 means Asia. Now see the original data. Now a visa DF dot head करो here. Top 5. Top head करो. Here also top head करो. ये print करो. ये भी print करो. Because that's the original data ना पहले वाला. And this is after transforming. This is the first Asia. Asia. If you want, you can take only 2 columns. A continent, comma, K status. This is, and the same thing we are doing this. First to 10. Check it now. Asia 111, Africa 0, 7th one 3, Europe is 2. Getting my everyone? Not getting? Note on this first. Let me know where you are got stuck. Yes, Abita. We'll also close. We are checking. This is reading the data, now original data. Original data, 2 columns we are taking. After transforming also same 2 columns we are taking. And we are checking. We are just checking. Understood everyone? Now it will take automatically, right? That is called fit and transform. Now if you want to know what is exactly Asia, what is exactly Africa, instead of doing this thing, there's an inverse transform method is there. What is there? Inverse transform. Inverse transform. Now tell me how it is taken, ma. Now denied is, what is the number of denied? 1. Certified, what is the number? 0. How it is taking 1 and 0? Why can't 0 and 1? What is Asia number? What is Africa number? What is Europe number? 2. How it is taking? Oh, alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. पहले कौन आता? ये आता. A में again 2 are there. S is there again. F is there. F will come first, right? That's why Africa is the first one. 0. Next Asia is the 1. Then E is coming, right? E. Europe. Europe is nothing but 2. Oxford Dictionary. Have you seen the dictionary? Same like this. A, B, C, D, E. Now certified denied. Which number will come first? C. That's why C is coming as what? 0. And D is coming what? 1. Understood? Like that it will take. Correct. Now last one. Last one. Now look at the screen first. Oh, LE dot inverse transform. Provide your visa DF and continent. Automatically that values will become back. Oh, Asia wala, Asia wala, Asia wala. Correct. The values will become back. Whatever you transform 1, 1, 1, 1. Now the old values will become back. That is called inverse transform. What is the visa DF continent? Changed values, right? Changed values. Changed values. One, 1, 1, 1, 0. And this is also changed values. Inverse transform. 1 means what happened? Asia. 1 means what happened? Asia. 1 means what happened? Asia. Like that. Transform and inverse transform. Label encoder is a very, very famous method that only you same only. Either you want to do manually. Now 3 steps. Tell me the 3 steps. Read the package, save the package, fit and transform. Read the package, save the package, fit and transform. I will show you here. See here. What are that? Read the package, save the package, fit and transform. Correct? Now see here. What is the model name? Read the package, save the package, fitting. Done. Machine learning is done. Okay, next. What is another thing? Read the package, save the package, fitting. Machine learning is done. Next. Easy, na machine learning. Now base. What is there? Read the package, save the package, fitting, done. machine learning. Read the package, save the package, fitting. Done. That's the beauty of machine learning. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. I hope you enjoy the session. Huh. That's why read the data again. Where you have read the data. किधर है? See here. अरे क्या रे? I'm mentioning na every line. Read the data. If you not read the data, how can I help you? I know this will do. You people do these kind of things.